Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix screen flickering at low brightness on your Red Magic Astra tablet. So the only real way we can remove the screen flickering in low brightness condition is by lowering the screen refresh rate. So if you have 165 Hz refresh rate enabled currently, this may result in some flickering appearing on your device's screen. So in order to resolve this issue, we just have to go to Settings, then open Display menu, and then scroll down to Screen Refresh Rate and switch it from 165 Hz to either 60 Hz or Auto Refresh Rate. And this will improve the state of the tablet and the screen flickering issue. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.